Hey everyone, Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our bull bar for the Team Associated CR12. I would like to note this is designed to be used with our servo relocation bracket, just because on the factory mounts you do have pieces that bolt to the outside of the frame, whereas these pieces are made to sit on the outside of the frame, being flat right there. But if there is an interest, I may consider designing up a set for the factory mount. But basically, we have our two crossbars right here. These are 1/4-inch aluminum rod, drilled and tapped for 3mm hardware. Our two support pieces, I have two mini King Kong toe shackles. These aren't included, but the bull bar is designed to use them. And I have 4 stainless steel screws for the bull bar, as well as the factory servo mount screws and the plastic pieces that go inside the frame. So first things first, pull our screw out right here. And set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and put this piece inside the frame to serve as our nut. Actually, since I have these both removed, I can just slide them into the frame by removing this screw. Now I can just pull that bumper out and slide these guys in there. And you might want to just press up on that plate slightly and just slide them in the frame until the holes line up. And we can do that for both sides. Okay, so now we can go ahead, and you want to set this bumper mount back on here first. Make sure your bumper is orientated correctly, and this can be the first screw you put in. You want to make sure you have them directionally correct, because they do have a notch to fit inside of that bumper, as well as to mount the tubes. Get that one started, then we can put the rest of them in, just starting them all loosely. Go ahead and tighten everything up on this side of the frame now. Once we have this done, I like to install the rods. So we just take our 3mm screws and put them on the rod here. Just make sure that you don't cross thread the screw holes in the bull bar here on these rods, otherwise that could get you in a little bit of trouble. Same thing for this side. I like to start with a bolt that goes into the bumper mount, and on this one we have more screws to put in to start. At least we'll do the frame first. Now we can go ahead and start our rods. We can go ahead and tighten down on the frame first here. Just want to be careful because you are just threading into plastic, so you don't want to go too tight. And if you do have them at this point, you can install the toe shackles. All you do is just unscrew these guys out here and then slide them into your mounts. It's a little bit tougher once you have it on the truck, so you can install them before you mount everything up, but it's still possible to do it like this. So here you can have a look. The mounts do have to be clearance because this is 1/8 inch aluminum, 1/4 inch rod, and so this way you get that nice kind of gravity action, whereas on some bumpers they'll lock just because of that plastic is so tight on there. But there is pricing information on this in the comments section below. It's a really simple product and it mounts up easy. It is definitely more aesthetic than performance. However, if you are running into things, this will definitely help. It's much stronger than your factory bumper, and you can actually pick up the whole truck from it. Not afraid to say that because it is a very strong piece. Bolts directly up to the frame. But thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps some of you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.